A woman whose laughter fills a room, whose words carry weight, and whose heart is larger than the many titles she holds. Rotarian Elizabeth currently serves as the president of the Alliance for Health Promotion Geneva.
Unite for me, unite for you. Moments are now, moments of truth.
Elizabeth III, as the first woman governor of this wonderful district 3192.
Please put your hands together for District Governor for the first time, Rotarian Elizabeth Cherian, to deliver her acceptance speech and share her vision for Rotary year 25-26.
ನನಗೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಜನ್ಮ ಅಂತ ದೇವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಮಣ್ಣಲ್ಲೇ ಹುಟ್ಟಿ ರೊಟೇರಿಯನ್ ಆಗಿ ಉಳಿಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ನನ್ನ ಆಸೆ. I want to conclude by saying that the Rotary year 25-26 should leave a groundbreaking legacy of love, friendship and compassion. We will work with the government to identify projects involving lakes, parks and assisting with good outcomes for the city's climate action plan. We plan to achieve this by offering our assistance and expertise to the government and collaborating with local communities and involving various stakeholders. ಬನ್ನಿ ಒಟ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹೊಸ ರೋಟರಿ ದಿಗಂತವನ್ನು ರಚಿಸೋಣ. ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆಯ ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳಾಗಿ ಕನ್ನಡವನ್ನು ಮನೆ ಮಾತಾಗಿಸೋಣ. ರೋಟರಿ ಅತ್ತ ಮನೆ ಮನೆಗೂ ತಲುಪಿಸೋಣ. ಜೈ ಹಿಂದ್, ಜೈ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕ, ಜೈ ರೋಟರಿ.
Number one formula, that 1:2:3, knowing that India is the youngest country in the world where anything and everything is possible, and it's happening also. We are rising from nowhere to almost top 10 country in the world. Hey, name anything, we are there. Most of the case, we are already there in top 5 list.
Dharma Yuddha Mahabharata is called. So whatever Rotary does, isn't it Dharma Yuddha? Fight against illiteracy, poverty, protein caloric malnutrition, degradation in environment,